Using the oscillating edge sander. To use the oscillating edge sander, this is a quick safety review. If you have a board that you want to sand a radius on, simply turn on the machine. The on-off button is to the side. Use the end stop, place your board against the end stop, and gently start sanding. Okay? Come away from it. Turn it off. Be extremely careful sanding end grain. End grain is the hardest grain to sand. It is better to cut using a sharp blade and a very accurate saw. If you try sanding the end grain, the fibers of the grain are so they're so grippy to the sandpaper that most of the time it'll rip it out of your hand. Okay, or you'll burn the end. You'll burn these fibers due to heat from friction. Do not take thin boards and try to sand them this direction. As you can see that I can easily sand the tips of my fingers off, or on thin boards it could just get ripped out of my hands because I'm holding it too cautiously, because I know what I'm doing is not right, and so if I sand it like this, it can be ripped out of my hand. Remember to use the end stop, engage, and start sanding if you like. You can sand plywood if you need to, MDF, those things, but make sure that you let the machine sand it. Do not force the machine, okay? But use the end stop to come onto the sandpaper. And it's okay if you just want to sand right here, and then you can come off the end stop as well. Do not use this, in my opinion, this oscillating spindle sander, or this spindle sander rather. It moves too quickly and it just burns for the inside of curves. So we have an oscillating spindle sander for that.